Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here, and I'm at my bench. I'm trying to finish up my little bit of stuff that I needed to get finished up so that I can get outside and get going on this next refine. I did a little swap with Armando from the Vault, and I figured I need to get this mail call done. I actually told him I would get it done a few, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 days ago, but like I said, I was a little under the weather. So today I'm back to normal pretty much, and I just wanted to get in here and get this done. And once again, my brain or my mouth or whatever, my hands, whatever, went faster than my thinking processes did. I already cut this open and I didn't have the camera on. So anyway, let's see what he's got sent for us here. I actually made him a couple of the little M16s. There's his card. I'm going to put that like that. Let's see. And an Armando from the Vault magnet, which I'm going to stick on my little fridge, or my safe actually, probably. It says, Dino, thank you for the M16 pours. I know when I give them to my grandsons. I don't think I will ever sent you one of my magnets. Oh, he says, I don't think I ever sent you one of my magnets. He actually, the M16s are for both of his grandsons. He sent me the magnet too. He says the silver bars aren't even enough. Hope you are doing... Armando, I think you have probably outdone yourself again, yes. Wow. 4? I told you. Brother, I said I'd have been very happy with 1. Goodness sakes. Well, he has outdone himself. Those are actually pretty sharp. These are Silvertown Eagles. 1 ounce 999 silver. Wow, those are really nice. Armando, thank you. You really didn't need to send that much. I do appreciate it, though. It'll give me a little bit of silver to pour, maybe, if I can make myself melt them. So, anyway, my friend, I really appreciate that. That's way, way, way too much. Way more than you should have sent me. I'll catch up with you. I appreciate it, though. Everybody, go check out Armando's channel. He's very much into coin collecting, and he puts out some nice videos of his collection. So go check him out. That's Armando from the Vault. I will put a link wherever. I think you know where them little things go, wherever it is, here or where or there. And I'll also put a link down in the description. My friend, thank you so much. I mean, I mean, 2 of these would have been more than sufficient, and 1 would have been enough. Like I said, I'll catch up with you. Everybody stay safe out there. Take care. I will get on that refine just as quick as I can. I need to get some of my stuff done, at least cleared out, so that I can work, and I got some workspace at my bench again and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these boards, and I got some more to do in the back behind me, and we will see you all in the next video.
Hugs and kisses, Mortimer. I miss you.